Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo of mango leaf disease identification and classification. So in this project, we have collected the different types of mango leaf disease images, leaf images, and trending is done through the deep neural network, and front end is done through the HTML files and using also Flask framework. You can see the code. You type VS, click on open, on file, open folder, desktop. Select the folder name. So this is the dataset and this is the templates HTML files of different models. So here we are using about index login and also predict HTML files. And this is the flags framework code. We can run the code now. We'll type python app.py. One dot. Click on this name. So this is the home page. So we have four models. Log. Now click on register button. So you can enter the name. And email. And enter the password. Click on register. So you will get the pop-up like registration successful. And we can enter the email, enter the password, click on login. So once you log in, you get the prediction page. Here you can choose the file, the data set. So this is the different types of mango leaf diseases. You can select the images, click on predict. So you get the uploaded image, it will display, and it will display the mango leaf diseases. Can check for another one. Select any one of the images from the data set. Click on predict. So you will get the images, selected images. Parallelly, you will get the prediction. Can check for one more. Can check for red dust. Select the images. Click on open. Click on predict button. So we will get the uploaded image also prediction.